Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is a quick one. Yes, I'm answering the elements of a good marriage. Number 1, love, commitment. At its core, love is a decision that has to be committed to another person. Number 2, sexual faithfulness. That is self-explanatory. Number 3, humility. Being humble, both to your partner and to God. Number 4, patience. This works hand in hand with forgiveness. Number 5, time. You have to give time to your marriage, to your partner, to your relationship. Without time, your marriage can't grow. Number 6, honesty and trust. Very important. And this is a give and take. If you're honest, your partner will trust you. If you're trustworthy, then you are an honest person. Number 7, communication. Very important. Every marriage to be good and to survive, to be happy and successful, communication has to be a burning fire which never goes off. Number 8, selflessness. Don't be selfish. Don't be narcissistic. Don't be egoistic. Don't be individualistic. You are now two. The two have become one. Be selfless. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. If you're new to my channel, just subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. I love you. See you in the next video. Do not forget to visit norarake.com. Bye.